Can this app really pay real money, or is it just another fake earning app? I tested Mcrypto myself, successfully withdrew USDT, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works. Welcome to Sent Money. On this channel, I only review apps and websites that I personally test before recommending them. Today's app is Mcrypto, where you can earn rewards by playing games, completing offers, and answering surveys. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find my download link in the description. Let's get started. After opening the app for the first time, simply sign in using your Google account. The registration process only takes a few seconds. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard with your current balance and available earning options. The easiest way to earn is through the Games section. Here you'll find many different games. Simply tap Play Now, download the game from Google Play, open it, and start playing. The longer you play, the more tokens you earn. Each game has its own reward rate, so always check the details before starting. Another great earning method is completing offers. These offers may require downloading an app, creating an account, or completing a simple task. After finishing the requirements, you'll receive tokens automatically. Some offers pay significantly more than regular games. The app also includes paid surveys. Personally, I noticed that the CapEx search survey usually offers some of the highest rewards. Depending on your country and profile, surveys may pay much more than playing games. You can also receive free scratch cards. Open them to get random bonus tokens. Sometimes the reward is small, and sometimes you can receive much more. It's a nice extra bonus for active users. Mcrypto also has a referral program. If someone joins using your referral link, both of you can receive bonus rewards. If you'd like to support this channel, you can use my referral link in the description. Now let's talk about the most important part. Does Mcrypto actually pay? The answer is yes. The app supports withdrawals in cryptocurrencies like USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and XRP. To verify it myself, I created a fresh account and withdrew 0.05 USDT. Now let me show you the payment proof. As you can see, the payment arrived successfully in my Binance account. You can also see that the sender is clearly listed as Mcrypto. So based on my own experience, the app successfully paid my withdrawal. Overall, Mcrypto is a simple app that lets you earn rewards by playing games, completing offers, and answering surveys. Like any earning app, your income depends on how much time you spend using it. If you'd like to try it, you'll find my referral link in the description. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest, money-making app reviews, make sure to subscribe to Sent Money. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.